check this out. There she is, man. There she is. My honey. This is the first time I have ever let anybody use the truck. I've never let my truck go anywhere and hang out like this. So this is the first time, but she's in a very proper space. Because we're at Homak.
Proper space.
Homak Tools, man.
Look, it's Mr. Homak.
There he is. There he is. What's up, brother? How you doing, David? Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you.
Yeah, of course I know David. I've been talking to David for about a year now.
Right.
We have his toolboxes all over the shop.
Right.
But David has a special toolbox for us.
That's what I hear. This is too proper. David, what do we have here, man?
We have a 7-drawer RS Pro custom counts box. It's even numbered.
I love it, man. How many of these we doing?
1,200 of them. Limited edition, 1,200.
1,200. The color is sultry gothic black cherry.
That is beautiful.
Oh, man. Man, this is way too cool. People can contact you, can contact Homak. How do they find you?
Well, they can actually get this cart. It will be available at all of our distributors across the country, nationwide.
Okay.
I mean, you're talking the Napas, the O'Reillys, the CarQuest, the Advances, or any one of our distributors.
That's too cool.
But there's only 1,200 of them.
That's too cool. So people can get this through all these distributors.
That's right.
There's only 1,200 limited edition
We're going to be able to sell these in the museum.
at our place.
Right. They'll pay for it. It gets drop shipped right to their house or their shop. If it's a shop, there's no lift gate fee.
Right.
But if it's going to your house, so if you want
Right.
to send one over to mom's house,
Right.
they can drop it off at mom's house.
Dude, I love it, man.
You can even put keys in the drawer.
Yeah,
Unlock it.
exactly, man. Because, you know, people be stealing my stuff all the time.
That's right.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Two of the stickiest fingers in the shop. Dude, this is beautiful. It's
I'm glad you like it. We put a lot of thought, time in it, and said, you know, what's going to really represent you? And the color, you know, the color's perfect.
The color is absolutely perfect.
Actually, we're adding this color to our entire line now.
Are you
so
serious?
you're stealing our color.
Yes, we are.
I need the color code for the powder on that because that is, it's almost like polished aluminum.
Right.
There's more than just this card
Okay.
because we love the color so much.
Okay.
And Ryan, you've been a trooper working with us, and you've been waiting for a long time. I've been promising you something, and you just keep missing on it. Let me show you something. This whole thing is yours.
Thank you.
This is what Ryan has needed. Pinstriping paint, more pinstriping paint, more pinstriping paint. I'm spoiled rotten. Dude, this is the best. Really?
Yeah.
Dude, that's awesome, man. I appreciate it.
That is awesome. That is awesome.
Well, what's this color? What are you calling it again now? Let's see if you remember.
Delicious, dark, deep, salty,
Sultry gothic
black cherry.
black cherry. Right.
I don't even have to paint it. I can just pinstripe on this.
Right.
It's done.
Right.
I want to see you pinstriping it.
Oh, you better believe I will.
It's been a hit of the show. Everybody loves it.
It's gonna make the paint shop look way better. I mean, flat out.
Dave, normally I take everybody's leftover carts and toolboxes. They can have the leftovers now. Man, Dave, thank you. Homak, thank you, thank
Yeah.
you, thank you, thank you.
Yeah. Check this out, everybody. Right there. Homak. That's a nice truck.
That is a nice
That's pretty, man. I love her. I absolutely love her. And I mean, you know, she's as rough as a cop. She's not a show truck. She's a go truck. And that's what I love about it. Thanks for letting it be in your booth.
Well, we love it here.
1,200 of these. That's it. Limited run. Distributed all over the state. So check it out, man. Right there. Homak. Love it. I'm thrilled. Thank you very much.
Bob, how the hell am I getting this home, man?
You're going to have a good time rolling it down the ramp.
What's up, everybody? This is Ryan from Counts Customs. I need to send out a huge thank you to Homak Toolbox for this gorgeous toolbox. Bob and Horny Mike and Danny, they pulled a fast one on me. Homak took care of me, and I finally got moved in this thing. I love this toolbox so much. Paint drawers all pulled out. Got plenty of storage. Mix up my paint, do all my pinstriping, all my brushes, all my tools, airbrushing in there. My water air paint guns all in here. Thank you, Counts Customs family. Homak Toolboxes. Appreciate that.